Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to protect your privacy in Windows 10 computer. Nowadays, many people using Windows 10 operating system, but many people don't know about its privacy setting. This is most important to protect your privacy while connecting to the internet, because nowadays some apps collect the data without your permission, so you must concentrate on the Windows privacy settings. Let's learn how you can protect your privacy on Windows 10 computer. Go to settings, then click on the privacy. Here you have to turn off the location and camera. By default, your location is turned on. Some website collect your location data and possible to misuse, so you must turn off the location. Also, you have to turn off the computer camera to protect your privacy. Next, activity history. Every activity stored in your computer, such as your website browsing and apps using histories, you can disable this history stored in your device. This will be really improve your data privacy. Then manage background apps. By default, all apps will be running on your computer as a background services. You must monitor these apps to disable them if you don't want to use this app. Sometimes you will install the unknown apps. This will be collected your data from your computer, so you must always check on this background apps and disable it if you don't want. All of this information really helpful to improve your privacy. Thanks for watching this video. If you would like to more informative videos, subscribe this channel. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.